Hello, Bab. How you doing? I'm Marv, talking about imposter syndrome today, because if you have felt inadequate, you feel that you're not intelligent, that your conversation, the words that you want to say are not going to make any contribution, and so you dim your light, I've got some simple ways on how you can stop it, because I'm doing actually a workshop today. I'm just getting ready to speak to women at a Women's History Month brunch, and I'm going to suggest a couple of things that I do myself. When I'm feeling really low, I write down 2 things that I'm good at and 1 thing that I'm proud of. I'm good at coming up with different ideas, and I'm good at speaking, it's my job. And 1 thing I'm proud of, I was able to pivot to a brand new career and go back to university for a 3rd time. Oh, the branding's come off. What the hell? Look at that. The thing's come off. Oh, I haven't got time to about with that. The second thing I'm going to suggest for you, if you are feeling like you are silly, you are stupid, you are dumb, you say these words to yourself, please stop saying them to yourself, because it doesn't help. You know, it can lead to anxiety and depression as well. But find some time in the day, or it could be in the morning, could be at night. Stand in the mirror and don't laugh. Say lovely, kind things to yourself. My voice matters. My expertise is valuable. What's the other one that I'd use? I am capable. I deserve this. Honestly, it starts to make a difference. It might not feel like it when you start off, because you'll be like, oh, this is stupid. I'm standing in front of the mirror saying silly things. I think it's going to make a difference for you, because it has done for me. And everyone thinks I walk around with a load of self-confidence all the time. It's not all the time. Sometimes I've got to remind myself of the things I've done and how hard I've worked to get where I have. So have a go. Do it for yourself. You never know. This is going to make you feel better. The system is set up to tell us that if you are not kind of one of the people who's always got the wealth and the power and the voice, that then you are the odd one out. And that in itself contributes to you kind of feeling like you're not worthy. You are worthy. Girl, you are worthy. Oh, I just remembered one, a bonus one for you, and I'm still getting ready, just out of the shower. Flip your floor. So if you think to yourself, I'm really quiet all the time, then flip that to say, I am a thoughtful listener. And talking about affirmations, your affirmation could be that my listening skills actually build strong connections. So say that in the mirror to yourself as well. If I think about the one that I know about myself very well, I have shiny object syndrome, you know, like I'm like a magpie. Oh, I like this, I like that. And I often see that as a flaw, and actually what I'm going to do is turn it around and say that my enthusiasm for different topics shows that I have a creative mind. You know what, you've got to try. Listen, it sounds a bit stupid, but let's all try this, right? Let's do this, it's going to help. And what's my affirmation? My curiosity fuels my growth, and I channel it with intention. I hope you can use some of these ideas to help you get yourself out of your imposter syndrome mindset, because it doesn't help. I still keep running around telling myself I'm silly, I'm stupid, I'm an idiot, and I have to keep reminding myself not to do it. So, girl, we can get out of it. We can get out of it. You are mighty, you are powerful, you are smarter than you know. Thanks ever so much for watching, and share, like, subscribe if you like this content, and go and have a look at some of my other stuff as well. Thank you. Bye. Do you like my toilet?